On my way to a little air conditioning job. Never gets boring. We got some visitors here. By the way, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we got going on here. These are some big wild turkeys. Beautiful. We got a couple of maybe females over there, and these are males. I don't know. If you guys know, comment down at the bottom. All right. So we're heading up to this job here. We have to put in one of those wall unit inserts. When you go to replace an air conditioning unit, make sure you measure. And most of the time, you'll have to open it up. So you use your multi-tool and you use your recip saw. We're going to measure it out, frame out the outside, and then we'll be able to put the sleeve in. When marking the other side here, I had to go 27 inches up, okay? I left this trim piece in because it was put in, and I didn't want to replace all this. So use the multi-tool, go nice and straight across. All I gotta do is cut that siding, okay? I'm good on the other side. We'll make this nice and square. Then I'll get the shop vac to rigid. We'll come in and we'll just clean everything out, and then we'll install the sleeve for the unit. But you know, use a level obviously and go across. Take your time, measure twice, cut once, and just go easy. To cut that off, what I did was I took the multi-tool and I went right in all the way through, okay? Creating an opening, and I grabbed the recip, put it in the opening, and then I went across, okay? So if you're wondering how you cut that off, just start it with the multi-tool and then finish off with the recip. Sometimes when you show up at a job with your trailer and you get up, you can't turn around. It's a tough location. You got to leave the trailer, unfortunately, a little ways away from this house. Tight trees behind me. I'm gonna have to back out, and I'm alone, so I pull up as far as I can where I know I'm safe to get out. I could have backed in the driveway, but if I showed you the street, it's a tight spot. But here I am, coming back, grabbing what I need, getting back up there. We'll talk to you soon. What we're going to do is we're going to come back and retrim it. It is foamed on the inside, but I'm going to pick up some pieces of trim and we're going to retrim this thing so it's nice and tight and it looks good. But that's finished. Same with this side, we're going to retrim it, but it's insulated and it's good to go. We had a remote control here somewhere. That's it. She works remote control. Most of the new ones come with remote control. Got the temperature right there of the room. Nice unit. All right, we're finished. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share, or like, and we'll catch you on the next one.